Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. 7 tips to lower blood sugar naturally. Knowing how to reduce your blood sugar levels naturally is key to managing prediabetes or diabetes. Consider actions such as exercising regularly, eating more fiber, incorporating more snacks, and increasing your probiotic intake. Your body usually manages your blood sugar levels by producing insulin, a hormone that allows your cells to use the circulating sugar in your blood. As such, insulin is the most important regulator of blood sugar levels. Blood sugar management is especially important for people with diabetes, as chronically high blood sugar levels can lead to limb and life-threatening complications. Here are 7 easy and evidence-backed ways to naturally lower your blood sugar levels. Number 1. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help you reach and maintain a moderate weight and increase insulin sensitivity. Increased insulin sensitivity means your cells can more effectively use the available sugar in your bloodstream. Exercise also helps your muscles use blood sugar for energy and muscle contraction. If you have problems with blood sugar management, consider routinely checking your levels before and after exercising. This will help you learn how you respond to different activities, and keep your blood sugar levels from getting too high or low. Number 2. Eat more fiber. Fiber slows carb digestion and sugar absorption, thereby promoting a more gradual rise in blood sugar levels. There are 2 types of fiber: insoluble and soluble. While both are important, soluble fiber has explicitly been shown to improve blood sugar management, while insoluble fiber hasn't been shown to have this effect. A high-fiber diet can improve your body's ability to regulate blood sugar and minimize blood sugar lows. This could help you better manage type 1 diabetes. Number 3. Manage your carb intake. Your body breaks carbs down into sugars, mainly glucose. Then, insulin helps your body use and store it for energy. When you eat too many carbs or have insulin function problems, this process fails, and blood glucose levels can rise. You can still eat some carbs when monitoring your blood sugar. However, prioritizing whole grains over processed ones and refined carbs provides greater nutritional value while helping decrease your blood sugar levels. Number 4. Drink water and stay hydrated. Drinking enough water could help you keep your blood sugar levels within healthy ranges. In addition to preventing dehydration, it helps your kidneys flush out any excess sugar through urine. One review of observational studies showed that those who drank more water had a lower risk of developing high blood sugar levels. Number 5. Implement portion control. Portion control can help you regulate your calorie intake and maintain a moderate weight. Consequently, weight management promotes healthy blood sugar levels and has been shown to reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Monitoring your serving sizes also helps prevent blood sugar spikes. Number 6. Try to manage your stress levels. Stress can affect your blood sugar levels. When stressed, your body secretes hormones called glucagon and cortisol, which cause blood sugar levels to rise. One study including a group of students showed that exercise, relaxation, and meditation significantly reduced stress and lowered blood sugar levels. Exercises and relaxation methods like yoga and mindfulness-based stress reduction may also help correct insulin secretion problems among people with chronic diabetes. Number 7. Get enough quality sleep. Getting enough sleep feels excellent and is necessary for good health. In fact, poor sleeping habits and a lack of rest can affect blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity, increasing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. They can also increase appetite and promote weight gain. Additionally, Sleep deprivation raises levels of the hormone cortisol, which, as explained, plays an essential role in blood sugar management. Adequate sleep is about both quantity and quality. The National Sleep Foundation recommends that adults get at least 7 to 8 hours of high-quality sleep per night. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.